What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I am going to review and make a live staking on Byas. Okay, so one of my viewers recommended me this project probably 2-3 weeks ago, but I've been busy, and also I've done a bit of research about the project, and I was like, maybe this is not for me. Okay, but after and doing a deep analyzing about the project, token charts, and all that, I was like, okay, I am gonna gamble a little bit and let's see where it will take me. Okay, so currently, Bias, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pools, and over here we can see the percentage. Okay, the current real APRs across Bias dApps. Okay, and the pool that I'm going to roll with will be this one right here. So BNB DXO, where you will earn 290% per day. Well, per year. So per day is going to be about 7.2%. Okay, so I'm going to roll with, so I'm going to gamble on this pool and let's see what happens. Okay, so what is Bias? So initially, Bias is just a burning token. You don't have to do anything with Bias. Okay, so let's go over to Bias docs and let's find out what Bias is. So Bias simply, in simple put, all you gotta do is buy the Bias, buy the token, and hold it in your wallet, and that's it. And then for every transaction that happens, so for every buy and sell, there is a 3% tax on it. Okay, so 1% goes to holders, will be redistributed to all the holders. 1% is burned forever, and 1% goes to a decentralized charity wallet. Okay, so this is a deflationary token, and in the long run, it might have a potential to do some X's, and I'm gonna show you the price chart, and you're gonna be amazed. Okay, so the tokenomics, we have 100 billion tokens. Okay, 100 billion tokens. It's a lot of tokens. Okay, but the more transactions happen in the blockchain, okay, the more tokens will be burned. Okay, and less tokens will be available. Okay, so if you come over here to the dApp, okay, Bias dApp, we can see the Bias price. Okay, 0.000555375. Total holders 572. Total Bias burn is 51 million tokens burned. Okay, 51 million tokens burned, and charity, 51 million, I think. Okay, 51 is a long number. Okay, but yeah, as you can see right here, this thing is working. So let's have a quick look at the price charts. Okay, so we can see that the token was launched 2 months and 12 days ago, and the price was 0.000081. So let's say you join or you bought Bias at here. Okay, price range. So let's say you bought Bias here, not from here, because it's very hard to buy from the beginning unless you have someone from the team telling you that, okay, buy from here. So let's say you buy the Bias here, you bought the Bias here, and then from there, let's see how many X's from today's price. Boom, right there. Okay, so that's 8X's. Okay, so if you invested 100 bucks, now you would have 800 bucks. Okay, 8X's. But if you bought from the beginning, imagine how many X's would be. Okay, 32 X's. 32 X's, which is a lot. Okay, and as you can see, we can see a steady growth. There was a huge dump over here, but the price managed to recover and seems like it's going on the uptrend. Okay, current 24-hour trading volume is let me see if I can sell 13k. Okay, 13k, right? So that's Bias. Okay, but aside Bias, we have the DXO. Okay, so what is DXO? Let's go over to the white paper and let's figure out what's DXO. Okay, so DXO is the first on-demand liquidity assets that can only be created by burning BTC and now BNB, and BTC and BNB for now, that those two coins are deflationary. Okay, it's not backed by Bitcoin, and is created from Bitcoin. It gives holders a yield, and price is determined by market behavior. Okay, so how can you have access to DXO? So over here on the docs says you can only have access to DXO if you burn the token. Okay, so let's go over to how to guide, and over here shows you how to have access to DXO. But I found out that you can buy from PancakeSwap. So the price is the same, so 105, and the current price is was like, maybe we don't have to burn any tokens. Okay, but the docs, probably it's outdated. Okay, so it says you can only have access to DXO by burning BTC or BNB. Okay, so but prior to that, you need to hold Byas. Okay, so you need to have at least 100,000 Byas in your wallet, which is worth at the current price around 50 bucks. Okay, so you need to have 100,000 Byas in your wallet at all times. Okay, so you buy the Byas first, and then you forge. Okay, so where is forging? So you come over here to forge, so you hit forge, and you can see, you can select BTC or BNB to burn. Okay, and then when you burn, you will receive your DXO tokens. Okay, and yeah, over here we can see 51 million burn, etc. Okay, so you burn BTC or BNB, and then you will have your DXO. So once you have your DXO, you come over here to pools, and you choose the pool that you want to stake. Okay, so you create the liquidity, so you stake it. Okay, so I'm going to explain how the pools work, because once you stake, so once you add liquidity to this pool, you know, your stake will be locked. Okay, and where is the information about that? Provide the liquidity. So okay, right here. So each stake is a bond. Your liquidity will be locked for 60 days. So any action such as adding more liquidity will reset your bond. Okay, so you come over here, you add liquidity. Okay, so first you approve, etc. Okay, so you add liquidity, and then if you decided to claim your Byas, you will reset your timer. Okay, so let's say you add liquidity today, 10 days later, you claim your Byas. Okay, you claim your Byas, your timer will be reset to 60 days. Okay, or if you want to, you know, claim everything and exit, you can do that. So after your timer has elapsed, you choose to claim rewards, your bond will reset again. Okay, but where is it? Where is that information? Staking. But if you don't want to, you know, continue with the LP, if you want to break the LP, you can claim both your stake and LP rewards after and you claim all, hit all. Okay, so you, let me see. Yeah, you got claim all right there. So you come over here, claim all, and I believe, let me see, staking once, so you'll be able to stake. Okay, yes. So every time you claim, you will reset your rewards. Okay, reset again, so you'll be able to unstake for another 60 days. So if you stake more at any time, so if you add more liquidity, you know, your bond will be resetted. Okay, so if you want to claim both your stake and LP, your rewards after enough bond time has passed, simply hit to claim all right there. Okay, so yes, so if you want to claim just your rewards, you can come over here, claim your rewards. But if you want to claim your rewards and stake after 60 days, you have to claim all, because if you claim your rewards first, your timer will be reset to 60 days again. Okay, guys, so please make sure you come over here and read the docs. Okay, so the docs will be in the the description of this video. Okay, so this is the DXO price chart. Currently seems like it's on a downtrend. It was launched at 127, went all the way up to 168 roughly, went all the way down to 95 cents, and now is currently trading at 105. Okay, so how do I buy Byas? Okay, so what I'm gonna try first is, because I believe I can buy DXO from PancakeSwap, so I'm gonna bypass buy Byas. Okay, because initially I thought we need to buy Byas in order to um, do this burning procedure. Okay, burning the BTC or BNB to have DXO, and then pairing the DXO with BNB to stake in this pool. Okay, but because I realized that there is Byas or DXO on the PancakeSwap. Okay, so I'm going to try to buy it now. I'm going to test it out. I haven't tested yet. So if I manage to buy some Byas, then what I will do is I will create this liquidity pair right here, BNB DXO. So we got 29K in this liquidity pool. Okay, and then my rewards will be in Byas. So that means I will not have to buy Byas, because the liquidity that I'm going to add to this pool will give me Byas. Okay, so that's my idea. So let me connect my MetaMask and let's see if I can buy this Byas. Okay, this DXO. Okay, guys, so I managed to buy some DXO. Okay, so as you can see right there, I have 44.9 DXO. Obviously, there is some gas fees to pay. So what I'm going to do, I am going to buy 50 DXO. So I'm going to add $50 worth of DXOs, and then I'm going to add $50 worth of BNB. That's how the liquidity pools work. So I have to be 50-50. Okay, so if you decided to add 100 of DXO, $100 worth of DXO, you have to add $100 worth of BNB. So for this video, I'm going to test it out. Okay, guys, because I'm not sure if this thing works or not. So I'm just gonna test it out with $100. Okay, so I'm gonna buy another 50 tokens. Okay, and that's it. By the way, guys, the smart contract for the tokens you will find on the docs page. So if you come over here to the docs page, you click on DXO, you will find the smart contract, the token address for that token. Okay, I forgot to mention the token supply for the DXO is 21 million or 21 trillion, I think. I don't know. 21 trillion. Okay, and yeah, so I have my tokens right there, so 55 tokens right there. So now what I'm gonna do, I will come over here, I'm gonna hit connect my wallet. Okay, my wallet is being connected. So now I'm going to select the pool. So I'm going to select this one right here, because according to the Twitter page, this is the highest pool. So we got the BNB DXO or Cake DXO. So currently I don't have much Cake in my wallet because I've staked it. So I'm going to use my BNB DXO. Okay, where is it? Right here. Okay, so first I have to add liquidity. Okay, so I add liquidity, and then I will have to approve the LP token and then stake. Okay, so adding liquidity is very simple. It will take you to PancakeSwap, and then it will pair the BNB with the DXO token. Okay, so once you pair those two tokens, there you go. Okay, so once you pair these two tokens, then you will have the LP. Okay, need to connect my wallet again. Okay, so as you can see right here, we're gonna add liquidity. Okay, so we got the BNB DXO. So as you can see, the DXO value is, so 55 token is worth $58. So I have 169 worth of BNB. So what I'm gonna do is choose a valid pair. So yeah, I want to add liquidity to this token right here. So we're going to add liquidity. So we're going to click add liquidity. And now we're going to hit max on DXO. and then it will be the same value for BNB. As you can see right here, 58, 58, okay? And then once we are happy with that, so I will have to enable the DXO, and then I will have to hit supply, okay? So I'm gonna enable, pay the gas fee, and then hit supply, pay the gas fee, and boom, I will have my DXO BNB LP token. Okay guys, so now I have my LP tokens, okay? As you can see right here, I have 3.1 LP tokens, okay? So now we're going back, I can close this page. We go back to the docs DXOcoin.com pools, okay? And we're going to so as you can see right here, it is showing the LP token in my wallet. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to hit approve LP tokens. So we have to pay another gas fee. And okay guys, so as soon as you approve, okay, so the approval goes away, and now we can see the stake LP token. So my stake is 310. Okay, so I'm going to hit stake LP tokens, and I'm going to go all in, okay, because there is no point, okay? 310.85, okay, so we can stake all the amount. So 310.85, 11456, okay, or 55, whatever. Okay, we hit stake, pay another gas fee, and we are in. So we're providing liquidity, so we're gonna earn Byas token in rewards. Okay guys, seems like I will have to buy Byas, because when I try to stake, it gives me a super high gas fee. Okay, so if you are doing this and it's coming up with a super high gas fee, like $200 for the gas fee, don't pay it. That means you will have to buy Byas, the Byas token. Okay, like I said to you initially, you will need 100,000 Byas tokens. So apparently there is no way we can get away with this, so I'll have to buy the Byas token. As you can see right here, super high gas fee, so we're going to cancel this, and we're going to go back to MetaMask, and we're going to buy PancakeSwap. I'm going to buy the Byas token, and let's see if it works. So according to the docs, we will need, so it says right here, where is it? For any part of our system to work, you need to buy Byas. Of all of the boxes on the stats page take you to respective contracts. Okay, so we need at least 100,000. Okay, the slippage is about between 3.3 and 4%, so 3.1 works. So that's what I will do. So I'm gonna buy 100. So I'm gonna put at least 104,000 Byas. So we come over here to Byas, buy Byas. This will take us to PancakeSwap, okay? And then on PancakeSwap, we are going to select 104,000 Byas tokens, okay? Okay, so currently 104,000 tokens is worth 57.91 bucks. So the slippage, we have to put 3.1, like the guy says sometimes, is between 3 and 4. So we're going to come over here, put 3.1. We're going to test it out and see how it goes. So 3.1. So then once we are happy with that, we're going to hit swap. Okay. Let's see how many buyer tokens we're going to receive. Yes, we're going to go ahead and confirm this. Let's pay this gas fee. Let's see if 3.1 is good. Okay, so that's done. I am also going to add the Byas to my wallet, because every transaction that happens, 1% will be redistributed to the holders. Okay, I am a holder right now, so I'm gonna add this token to my wallet address, so I will keep track of the token. Okay, now that I have the Byas tokens, as you can see right here, I have more than 100,000 tokens. So let's see if this adding liquidity works. Okay, so let's see if I'm able to stake my 0.851456 or 5. Boom, let's see if I'm able to stake this now. And yeah, as you can see right here, I needed to buy the Byas token. So I have the gas fee is like 77 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm this. And then once it goes through, my liquidity will be staked, and I'm going to be locked for 60 days, and I'm going to start earning yields on my liquidity. Okay, guys. So keep in mind every time you farm, right? So there is the risk of impermanent loss. Okay, so BNB price can go down, DXO price can go down, and that might cause an impermanent loss. Okay, and that's it. I am in. So as you can see right here, um, total staked, my stake is right here, and I am already earning bias. Okay, so I am going to give you an update about how everything is going with this project. Okay, all the links going to be down in the description. Always do your own research. Please read the docs. Make sure you fully understand how everything works, because at the end of the day, this is crypto. Okay, and crypto can be risky from times to times. Okay, so if you are willing to take that risk, all do your own research. Make sure you're comfortable to what you are getting into, and let's roll the dice and let's see what happens. Okay, so as you can see right here, for me to unstake this right now, I will have to wait 59 days, 23 hours, 58 minutes, and 44 seconds. Okay, but in the meantime, okay, hopefully the Byas token price will be appreciated. Okay, and by 60 days, who knows, instead of being worth what's the word price now, 0.00055, okay, it might be 0.001 right there. Okay, that would be some good price appreciation, right? So let's see what happens. I'm gonna give you an update probably in a week or so. Okay, until then, stay tuned in for more videos to come. Peace.